So today I am going to explain the fifth problem of Atcoder beginner contest 245, which is wrapping chocolates. So we are given n pieces of chocolates where each piece is a rectangular shape with width ai and length bi, and there are m boxes which are also rectangular shape and width ci and length di. So we can place each at most one chocolate per box. Like a box can contain at most one chocolate, and if we want to place the chocolate, what should be the condition? Ai should be less than equal to cj, so width of the chocolate should be less than equal to the width of the box, and length of the chocolate will be less than equal to the width of the box. So let us take one example and check how can we place the chocolates. So here is the example. Like you can check that this is the chocolates and these are the boxes. So we can place the first chocolate in the second box, and we can place the second chocolate in the first box, and we can place the third chocolate in the third box. So the answer will be yes. So let us check what will be our approach to solve the problem. So our approach will be that we'll sort the chocolates and the boxes based on their width. So the width of the chocolate is what ai, the width of the chocolate is ai, and width of the box is ci. So we will make an array of vectors, to the array of vectors or vector of pairs, where we will store the chocolates as ai comma bi, and store the boxes as ci comma di, and at the end we will sort this array in the like by ai and say based on the first element of the array. Okay, based on the first element of the array or paired, whichever you can take. And then what will be our approach? Our approach will be this c1 b1 c2 b2 b3 c3 b4. They are sorted on the on with ai. So the value of bi and di could be anything. There could be no order between bi and di. If we draw a graph, this can be like that also, bi and di. So what will be our approach? So when we will encounter a chocolate, what will we do? We will try to figure out what is the box available on the right side of it, what is the box available on the right side of it, and which has a length which has di, which has this c3 will be something like ai and bi. So it is already guaranteed that any box on the right hand side of it will have width greater than it. So ci, right side of the chocolate will have greater than ai. So and we have to figure out what is the minimum value of dj. So we have to find out what is the minimum value of dj on the right side of the chocolate. So we have to find out what is the minimum value of dj on the right side of the chocolate. So and when we'll encounter a box, we will push dj in the n set. So if we encounter a box, we will push on the set the value of dj. And when we encounter a chocolate, we will try to figure out what is the minimum value of the in the set, which is greater than bi dj. Okay. So let me show you my code. You will easily understand what I am doing. Okay. So let's say here I am pushing all the value of ai bi, and to check if it is a chocolate. If it is a chocolate, I am storing value as 0, and if it is a box, I am storing value as 1. Then I am also checking storing it into a multiset, the length of the boxes. So if the value of the boxes, so wi2, if it is 1, then it is a box. So if wi2 is 1, then I am pushing the value of the length, okay, wi1, which is di. So I am pushing di into it. And else if it is a chocolate, then I try to figure out what is the lower bound of the value of the length of the chocolate, which is bi. So in the set, it stores all the value of the length of the boxes dj, which has width greater than the chocolate. Okay. So I will try to figure out what is the value of I have already told. So if it is the last element of the array, if lower bound is the last element of the array, then the answer is not possible. There is no box on the right hand side of the array, right hand side of the chocolate, where we can place the chocolate. So we are doing flag goes to 1 and break. Else I am erasing the box. I am erasing the box from the set. Okay. If the value of the flag is 1, then we can't place any of the chocolate. If can't be placed, then the value of the flag will be 1. Else answer is yes. I hope you have understood my explanation and the code. If you have any doubt regarding the code, you can write in the comment section. Thank you.